side, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you the best way on how to enter safe mode on Dell PC or laptop. So it's very simple. I'm just gonna tell you about two methods on how it works. The first method is basically from Windows if it still boots. So you gotta click start and go to settings and then system or settings. Just go to your settings right over here and then system, or just go to your update settings right over here, and inside Windows Update just you need to find advanced startup, click restart. After restart, choose troubleshoot and then advanced options, then startup settings and click restart again, and then press number 4 or 5 for safe mode and networking. If Windows won't load, turn your Dell laptop or PC on, and as soon as the Dell logo appears, hold the power button to force shutdown. Repeat this 2 to 3 times. On the next boot, Windows will open recovery mode automatically. From there, go to troubleshoot, advanced options, startup settings, and then restart, and then press number 4 again to enter safe mode. And that's it, your Dell device will boot into safe mode. So yeah, I hope this truly helped you out. I'll see you soon next one.